Hello and welcome everyone. If you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger and looking for a special first time order deal, then you're at the right place, because in this video I will reveal a special discount link. This is exclusively for those who want to buy your hosting from Hostinger as a first time. So it's a special first time discount deal plus two of the finest coupon codes through which you are going to get additional discounts on already running discount deals. So what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now at Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you may see that Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet, be it the Trustpilot, Google, hosted by W Beginner. All of them say that Hostinger has an amazing 4.5, 4.6 or 4.7 ratings out of 5, which is just amazing. And if you are looking to look on the Trustpilot reviews, because they are clickable, so you may be surprised to see that the majority of the reviews are 5-star reviews. You can see over here that the reviews are just fast and accurate support, professional with truly excellent hosting staff, persisted until my concern was resolved. A couple of days issue, but they sorted out. The best hosting partner, exceptional hosting service with outstanding support. These reviews speaks for themselves. And the best thing is that all of the plans are covered with 30 days money back guarantees. You can buy with confidence at Hostinger. These are the three most popular plan, and you can use this special first time order discount on any plan you're going to choose. If you scroll below, there are a few features which I like to tell you about Hostinger. Like Hostinger has fast, secure and reliable servers. You can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI builder, and you're getting free domain with all of the annual plans, which is just amazing. Plus, in case if you're coming from another hosting company, they have a special dedicated website migration service which is going to help you in transferring your website, and that too free of cost. And if you scroll, but you can see that this is the control panel of Hostinger. The control panel is super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner, even a newbie can operate it without any issue. And speed, reliability, efficiency, they focus on it, and they have local data centers all around the world. They do not compromise on the speed. They have a 24/7 support, and security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting so many security features, including automatic backup, SSL security certificates, and cloud-free protected name servers, DDoS attacks prevention. And right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is just amazing for hosting as for hosting services. So scroll above and choose any plan. So this is a first time order discount, and you can use any plan to get this maximum discount deal. So let's say we're going with this plan, but I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough search by simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plans and functions before you're going to choose any plan as per your convenience. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page where you can use the discount coupon code. You can see over here that this is a special limited time deal, especially exclusively for my audience. After this, simply select the billing period. Hostinger offer variety of billing periods. You can choose any as per your convenience. After this, simply select I have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply over here, you're going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deals. Now there is another coupon code as well, and it is the name of HI10. You can use either of the coupon code. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy the special deal. So once it's been applied, simply select the continue over here. But before you select the continue, you can see over here that the 30 days money back guarantee is valid, so you can buy with confidence. And once you select the continue, you will be redirected to the final page where you have to log into your Gmail or your hosting account. After this, it will be showing your billing period. So write your billing address over here, select your see your order summary, discount is applied. Once you write your billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the payment methods. And this is where again I need to appraise Hostinger. Like they may offer so many payment options, you can choose any as per your convenience. So we can go with the credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, any as per your convenience. Let's say we're going into credit card. Simply select the credit card, write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. The procedure is very quick. They're gonna mail you within few seconds, and you have your hosting ready. So I hope you like this video, and I look forward, in welcoming all of you at Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.